Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can see, Fatima is, well, armed and dangerous, I guess you could say. She's dug through some of my old palettes and has decided to come up with some different eyeshadow looks. So she's ready with her brushes. Can you come up for air for a minute to at least say hello? I'll give them back, I promise. Hello. I hope you like what I create. I found some older palettes that have not been used in a while, but still had some good life in them. Yes, and she is going to be working with our makeup mannequin friend called Ayanya. Ayanya. Get it? Ha ha, ha ha. I think a while back I did a poll here on the channel to pick the name, and that was the winning choice. So what palettes are you using today? I found two of your Ciate London palettes. Ah, Ciate London. So we have Ciate London Velvet palette and Ciate London Editor palette. I want my brushes back, please. Well, as you can see, she is ready to go to work. So take a look at her creations and comment below as to which one or which ones you like the best. And please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell and all that fun stuff. And we will see ya later. Enjoy Fatima's artwork.